Have you been annoyed by the Aeffmgr Library DLL pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze Adobe dependency and restore that missing file. Before we begin the walkthrough for Aeffmgr Library, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the Aeffmgr Library, the Adobe Effects Manager, Aeffmgr. This library manages the localized loading and orchestration of video filters and third-party localized plugins for Adobe After Effects and Premiere Pro. If missing, the Effects panel will fail to populate or report a plugin enumeration error. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. Third-party application errors like this are best fixed by reinstalling the affected software. Download and reinstall the latest version of Adobe to restore Aeffmgr Library DLL safely. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Aeffmgr Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in Step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. It is critical to avoid the manual installation of Aeffmgr Library DLL unless you are following a verified engineering protocol, as a single directory error can prevent your OS from booting and result in significant data loss. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. If you're addressing Aeffmgr library inconsistencies or system resource gaps, the link below provides informational maintenance resources. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Aeffmgr library and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.